Hey, what's going on, you guys? In this video, I'm going to be explaining how you can start an online business with no money. So let's get into it. Hey, what's going on, you guys? Benjamin here with Motivational Marketer, and in this video, I'm going to be sharing a couple of different business models that you can get started with no money. So if you're looking to create your own online business, but you're short on funds, then this video is going to help you out. Now, these methods that I'm going to be sharing, you can get started for free, but I would recommend once you start earning money with them to reinvest them so you can actually scale your business so you can earn more money later on down the line. Now, since they are going to be free, they are going to take time to build up so you can start earning money. But before I get into this video, I just wanted to say if this is your first time here on my channel and you're interested in learning different methods when it comes to making money online, then I invite you to subscribe and also hit the bell icon so you'll be notified when I upload new videos. Okay, so let me just get right into it. So the first online business that you can get started with no money is going to be dropshipping. Now, if you don't know what dropshipping is, it's basically where you find an item that's listed for sale online and then you relist that same item for a higher price on another platform. Now, most people who use dropshipping to make money, they create a website using Shopify. So they look for products that are being sold usually through Chinese wholesale websites, and then they relist those same products on their own website for a higher price. Now, whatever the price that they mark up that product for, that's the profit that they get to keep. But you can get started with dropshipping without having to create your own website. Now, a way that you can use dropshipping without investing any money up front is by using eBay. People use eBay to dropship items from places like Walmart, Amazon, and even the Home Depot. If you're going to be using these websites, you just have to research which products are on sale and in stock and then just relist them on eBay. You can also relist items that you find on Chinese wholesale websites like AliExpress or Alibaba, but I wouldn't recommend this if you're going to be posting them on eBay because most people, they don't want to wait 2 to 6 weeks to receive a product that they bought. So that's why I recommend that you use Walmart or Amazon. Now, the next online business that you can start is being a social media manager. If you know how to manage social media accounts on different platforms like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, then you can charge people to manage their accounts for their professional business or just for their own personal brand. So being a social media manager for somebody else, you would be basically doing simple things like scheduling postings, setting up pages for their account, writing blog articles, setting up advertisements, creating content, and a bunch of other different services. It all depends on what your client would need done for them. So if you're wondering where you can go to manage other people's social profiles, you could just sign up to a website called Fiverr. You would just list the service that you're promoting, and whenever somebody contacts you for your service, you would provide your service and then you get paid after the service is done. You can charge people anywhere from $5 a day to $25 a day, depending on what kind of service they want and how long they want you to manage their social media profile for. Now, the next online business that you can start is selling an online course. So if you have a special skill or a certain knowledge in a specific area, and you know people would be willing to pay money to learn that skill or to have that knowledge, if you can bundle this information up in a course, people would be willing to pay you money to have that knowledge. So in order to go about selling an online course, you would first have to record your course. Since it is going to be online, it's going to be video based. Now, most people who have online courses that they're selling, they break them down into a video series, sort of like a how-to, a step-by-step guide on how to do something or how to learn something. Then you would go to a website called Teachable. This is where you're going to host your online course. You set the price that you want people to pay whenever they enroll into your course, and then whenever they enroll into your course, you start earning money. Now, Teachable does take a percentage every time somebody enrolls into your course. But they also have an option to sign up for a monthly plan. This is something to consider if you're really serious about selling an online course and you start to get people enrolling more and more often. Now, the next online business is going to be selling print-on-demand products. You can use a website called Printful to sell items like t-shirts, sweaters, mugs, backpacks, hoodies, socks, and all kinds of other items. All you would do is just create a design, and then you would just place that design on any kind of merchandise that you would be selling. Now the cool thing about this method is that it's going to be a print-on-demand service. So you don't have to invest a bunch of money up front to have a bunch of t-shirts printed out and just have them sitting there waiting for people to buy them. Whenever somebody clicks on your product that you have for sale, the people who work at Printful, they're going to print that shirt and then they're going to ship it out to the customer. So in order for you to make money using a print-on-demand service, you would have to factor in the cost that it takes to print that shirt and ship it out to the customer, and then you would just add your commission on top of that. So let's say, for example, to have a t-shirt printed and sent out to a customer, it costs $13. So you would have to factor in that cost and then add your commission on top of that. So you could sell a t-shirt for $25, so you would be making $12 every time somebody buys a t-shirt. So the last online business that I wanted to talk about in this video is called affiliate marketing. So if you don't know what affiliate marketing is, it's basically where you're promoting other people's products online through a specific link that's coded to you. And whenever somebody clicks on that link and they buy that product that you're promoting, then you earn commissions. Now, affiliate marketing is a great way to get started when you have no money, because you don't have to create a product, you don't have to ship anything out, and you don't have to deal with any refunds. All you're doing is just earning commissions by promoting somebody else's product. Now, the toughest part about affiliate marketing is building up an audience, because you can post affiliate links all over the internet, but that doesn't mean that people are going to click on that link and buy the product that you're promoting. You first have to build up an audience and then build trust with that audience so they feel comfortable buying the product that you're promoting. So the way that you would go about doing this is by creating content, such as blog articles or YouTube videos. Now, when people start to see your content on a daily basis or a consistent basis, then they start to build up more trust with you. And if you're delivering value, meaning that you're answering a problem that they're having, then they're more likely to buy the product that you're promoting. Now, I talk a lot about affiliate marketing in a bunch of other videos that I've done in the past, but if you guys want to learn more about affiliate marketing, I have a link for a free ebook download called Affiliate Marketing Blueprint. And I discuss in more detail on how you can make money with affiliate marketing. So if you guys want to learn more, I recommend you go and check that out. Well, that's basically it for this video. I hope you guys learned something new and hopefully you got some value from it. And if you guys are interested in my #1 recommendation when it comes to making money online, then click the first link in the top of the description. And let me know down in the comments below what you guys thought about this video. So that's basically it. So with that being said, I'll catch you guys in the next one.